Ah, there should be tunnels.
No, look. Dug them out.
Right, people, we're finally in. Got Richard. It's me and him. Just reading to see if there's any markings on the walls. 93.
There's Jace. Look.
Whoa.
It's the air ducting. It's where they used to put it in the air and filter it.
You know, made to last.
Oh yeah, it's still fucking going now.
Do one of them at mine. No squeaks.
British made, mate. That's what
Look
it
at
is.
that.
I think this would have been some sort of valve or something there.
That's running smooth, that, isn't it? Oh yeah, that. Another poo hole. Tunnel 6. 235, 137. Section D. Right, we've come out of that hole, the one we just went through, down there. So we're now heading down this way, section 4.
Decent, isn't it?
It is really decent. I'll have to review that on the camera. Just think, people, back in the day, people would have been down here sheltering while all the bombs were dropping on them from above. Right, people, it is absolutely pitch black down here. Whatever we capture, guys, is 100% real. Honestly, I really don't know how to put it blunt to you. My name is Jason, and I have Richard here with me. We've come here today to explore this tunnel and to make contact with the spirits that still reside here, in peace and with respect. Thank you, spirits. Please come forward.
Oh, Jesus. Was that water in my grave? I heard yes, my God. Yeah.
Did you?
Down right down there, yeah.
We just heard you. Can you be louder, please? Can you make a sound as loud as you can, please, spirit? Right. I'm gonna get some equipment set up. Sound good, Rich?
Yeah, mate. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hey?
Yeah, it's just so
It's bright in here, though.
It's got a brand new battery in there.
Right, people. Richard's got the K2 meter.
Yeah.
We've got a REM pod just down there on the floor.
Okay.
Can't really see it that well, but it is there. With a little flashing cat ball as well, right next to it. And we've got the other device down there with a bright red light on it. That's another REM pod. And there's a little ball next to that. Just make it out to the right. That's just there as well. Nothing in front of us. So it's just to the right and to the left. So. Okay, spirits. Me and Richard here, which my name's Jason.
My name's Richard.
Would like to communicate with you, as we've been trying. There's some equipment placed down on the floor, which you can use to make contact with us. They are REM pods, and what you need to do is just touch them. They've got aerials on them. If you go near it, touch it, it will go off. It's very, very easy, spirits, for you to use. It doesn't require a lot of your energy. Can you make it go off, please?
High heels.
Hey.
A woman's high heels. Do you know? Imagine a woman walking down a corridor.
Yeah.
No, God, nice. faint coming that side. Oh, that's the women's section as well. It was coming from that way as well.
Right guys, I'm just going to set a camera up next to one of these REM pods. I'm just going to do that now before I carry on. Right people, that bright light you see there is my other camera with the infrared light on. Spirits, do you think you can make the equipment go off that we've provided with you, that we have provided for you down here? I'll show you where it is, and I'm only going to do this once. We've got this here, which is called a REM pod. Got an aerial on it, and we've got this here, which is a cat ball. This is a REM pod. Please make that equipment go off, please, if you are here. Can you touch it, please? Was there many people sheltering down here from the war? Was this a place to be safe when all the bombs were dropping? Was there any soldiers down here? Military people? Thank you. Was there any soldiers down here? Military people? Thank you. Is that a spirit touching that ball? Is that a spirit touching that ball? Is that you, Rich?
Yeah. Stone on my foot.
If that is a spirit touching that ball, can you touch it again? Or touch the REM pod, the one with the aerial next to it. Whoa. It's gone again, Rich.
That's it.
Thank you, Spirit.
Hard not to see it.
Much respect. Are you a man? Can you touch that ball if you're a man? Are you a woman? Are you a woman? Are you a woman? Can you touch that ball if you... A woman. A woman. A woman.
In the men's section.
Huh? Yeah, but the woman's section's just a bit further down.
Yeah, it's just here.
Are you very young? Are you very young? Under 30? You over 30? Remember to touch the ball if you could. You over 30? Or is this a child? Child.
Oh, I saw that.
Child. Thank you. It's just me moving my way, people. Thank you. You a little boy? Are you a little girl? Little girl. We said woman, didn't we, earlier?
Cute as well.
Little girl.
Wow. That's decent.
We said woman earlier. It's a little girl.
What do you want to do?
Bless her. Oh, let's find out her age. Find out her age.
Yeah.
Are you under the age of 5? Under 5. Under 5.
Okay. I'll say, if you want to ask his name, go through the alphabet until he's getting.
Oh, that's a long process.
Alright.
We will find out your name shortly. We'll ask for your name shortly. Thank you. Thank you, little girl. I'm going to go on the number to find out your age, because we know that you're under 5. Are you 4? Are you 3? She's 3 years old.
Seems intelligent for a 3-year-old.
Does, doesn't it? You're very intelligent for a 3-year-old, as Richard just said. Very smart. You know your age. Whoa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Little girl, can I just ask if you can please try and touch that other thing there with the aerial on it? Do you see that other thing there next to it with the aerial? Little girl, can I just ask if you can please try and touch that other thing there with the aerial on it? Do you see that other thing there next to it with the aerial? Do you see that other thing there next to it with the aerial? Can you try and touch that? It will light up colours as well. Do you see it, little girl? Right next to the ball. Is your mum and dad down here with you? Are you alone? What?
I saw it again. I saw a light come down like that. But I saw it in real time, like I could see it looked like it was going to hit the top of your head.
Yeah. Are you alone down here? Is it just you?
I can't hear everything.
Don't know. Very quiet. Like rumbling.
No, not that. That might be a train.
Is there more than one spirit down here?
No.
Ball.
I wasn't even touching it.
No.
Look. It's me like that.
Yeah, no, don't worry with the ball.
It's fine, man.
Yeah.
See if we get it.
Yeah. Thank you. I thought there was more than one. You're very shy though, the ones that are... Can anyone else come forward and touch that ball? Look, spirits, you got this as well. Thank you. Thank you. You have this. Look. You have that too.
Also got this green light in my hand called a K2 meter. That should detect you as well.
You can come close to what Richard's holding as well.
I'll keep it low so you reach it if you're free.
Well, right at the far back over there's another device with a red light on it. You can go and touch that one. There's also a little ball over there as well. Was you down here around about 1939? (1939 to 1944), between them years? Did you hear that over there?
Yeah, I know there's something right next to me.
Well, that click?
Yeah.
Wasn't you?
No, I got my hands like that, shut.
Was you down here around about 1939? (1939 to 1944), between them years? Did you hear that over there?
Yeah, I know there's something right next to me.
Well, that click?
Yeah.
Wasn't you?
No, I got my hands like that, shut. What
1930.
did you nubby? You were doing days, weren't you? Do it again.
I thought that was you called that.
No, look. I'm not molding it with two
Mate,
fingers.
there was a click there and a click there.
Well, nothing happened to the K2. It didn't go off.
I'm going to repeat that question. Was you here between the years 1939 to 1944? Sheltering here from the war, from the bombs, from the Germans that was bombing.
Yeah.
Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah. That was in front of you.
That echoed, didn't it?
Yeah, it sounded like it came from down there. Sort of echoed down.
Yeah, yeah. Did people die down here?
I'm sure it's not.
No, I swear to God, it was not. Did you hear that?
Yeah, that sounded like.
Was it yours?
No. You know it was mine. It'd be like. Roar.
That was well loud. From illnesses and disease.
Fucking plugged in here.
Yeah. Must be, the oxygen must be alright then if they're here.
I think it needs much that little thing.
Can you touch that ball again if you're still here, spirits? If we are in contact with you, speaking with you, and you are trying to make communication, can you touch that ball again, please? Do thank you. We have much respect for you. Not sure, I just see something. Don't know what that was. Was it hard times down here? Was it tough? Harsh?
My feet actually can't feel my toes.
But did you feel safe? You need to keep still.
I know, mate, but my feet, I can't feel my feet like this. I need to understand my ribs, mate.
Yeah. You're being like Penny at the minute, aren't you? You're being like Penny at the minute.
Maybe like that. No, I was just standing on the fucking rocks, innit?
Alright. Right, ready?
Go on then.
Was it hard down here, spirits? Was it tough? Did you feel like you was never going to get out of here? Here. Did you just hear something? Thought I heard a tap.
Silent down here.
Do you feel like you was going to be here for many years? I'm just going to move that camera because it's annoying me. Just move the camera. Was it boring down here? Was you concerned that the Germans may have won the war? Is that you? Was you worried about your house, your home above, being bombed?
She probably didn't understand at 3 years old.
But I know what you're trying to say, but we've already got a confirmation that there's more than one spirit here.
Oh yeah, confirmation of what?
Well, that's it, isn't it, Rich?
Yeah, mate.
Good one, really. Well, it's all right, wasn't it? But I would have thought there would have been a lot more activity down here, wouldn't you?
I feel drained as fuck down here.
Do you?
Yeah.
Feel drained?
Yeah, mate.
You really need to learn to protect yourself a little bit.
What?
I'm gonna have to teach you a few techniques.
Nothing, what do you mean teach me?
Well, it works for me what I do, Rich.
I'm not drained from bugs, I'm drained because of the atmosphere in here.
Yeah, I've been told a few things what to do, and I've been working with it, and it seems to be working quite well. Right. Anyway. Yeah, he don't believe because he's sceptic, so you know that's just him in a nutshell. But I like having a sceptic with me because when things happen, it puts him more and more on the fence. You know.
No, it's not that. I can hear something, but just because I heard something doesn't make it a paranormal event, you know? I can't remember the same Someone could be walking past a tunnel, say, hey, how you doing, Rob? And then Rob goes, Bob, down the tunnel, and then we hear it, and you go, thank you, Spirit. Do you know what I mean? It's all things, but I feel drained just because the atmosphere in this tunnel is like, it's dull and horrible. Do you know what I mean? There's no flow of wind coming, fresh oxygen coming through.
Did you just fucking hear that?
I don't know about you, but there's a light behind your head.
What the fuck? Man, I thought there was someone there.
I saw a light. See where that?
Yes.
See that tunnel
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
I saw a little tiny glimmer of light. I just looked up at it.
Excuse my language, but I thought someone was stood right there.
Take the light on a minute. I can't see shit. I can't see shit.
Richard, I thought someone was stood there, mush.
I swear I just saw a shadow. As I came around the corner, I like it went in.
But did you hear that noise before, though, when I thought there was...
How cold it is here.
Yeah.
I've got nipples running.
We're not alone. There's spirits here.
I feel better standing here,
Yeah.
funny enough, than I did down there.
Well, we're not alone. Whatever's here is very nervous.
There's nothing to be afraid of us if there is a spirit here.
We come with peace, respect and love and light, and we've come to communicate with you respectfully, peacefully, peacefully. Just so we know you're here, that is all. We don't mean to disturb you, we don't mean to bother you, we don't mean to piss you off. We just come to communicate and that is it.
And it's not like many people come here, I mean, apart from a rave when it was open.
There's equipment on the floor that you can use, and it really is easy for you to use, yes, as the little girl has already done. Man. And I know there's more than one of you here.
Could be the child's guardian or something, because that shadow I thought I just saw.
Whoa!
Yeah, what are you jumping for?
Because it's just gone off, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, Spirit. Thank you so much. See, you can do it.
If this is really a spirit here,
I've gone blurred.
if this is a spirit, do what you can to try and interact with the other one, the one with the aerial.
I'll switch the other camera.
Alternatively, the rave when it was open.
There's equipment on the floor that you can use, and it really is easy for you to use, yes, as the little girl has already done. And I know there's more than one of you here.
Could be the child's guardian or something, because that shadow I thought I just saw.
Whoa!
Yeah, what are you jumping for?
Because it's just gone off, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, Spirit. Thank you so much. See, you can do it.
If this is really a spirit here,
Oh, blood.
if this is a spirit, do what you can to try and interact with the other one, the one with the aerial.
I'll switch to the other.
Alternatively, down the other end next to that red light. What's the matter?
I'm going to just use that other camera.
Oh.
Thank you so much for coming forward. Thank you so much for coming forward. God bless to you all.
See you soon.
We'll come back again someday. Maybe we can have a better communication then. And we'll try a different part of the tunnels. Much respect. God bless. Goodbye. And that's a wrap, Rich, isn't it?
Yes, mate.
That burger's repeating on me. That was horrible. Bad review.
That's my stomach.
Yeah, that's mine as well, yeah.
Right, at the same time. No, listen.
That was a good thumbnail as well, by the way.
What?
You pointing and your serious face. Right, thanks for watching, people. Do like and subscribe if you like. It'd be great. It'd be great to get past 100 subscribers. I mean,
What you at now? 3?
only at 80 bloody. Yeah, was one time, but I'm at 86 in a minute.
I might unsubscribe.
Yeah, lose another one. Keep losing them at the minute. I don't think they take us serious enough.
No,
that's the problem.
Because a lot of these ghost hunting people, and I'm just going to come out and say it, most of them
do
are
it.
fakers, right?
Yeah.
They come in because they want to get popularity on YouTube,
Yeah,
loads
it's
of
all
money
about
off YouTube. We're not all
ching
about
ching.
the ching ching, yeah, exactly. So they, you know, you real act making up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if I never heard it, I ain't going to fake it.
Most of them are all fake, if I'm honest. That's my honest opinion. I don't believe any of them. I've stopped watching half of them because I believe a lot of it's just crap.
Yeah.
If I'm honest.
There's a couple in there that I like, but I know that
there
it's
is a
for
couple.
entertainment purposes, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I ain't...
Well, most of it is for the money and the fame, isn't
Yeah,
it?
you never see anything. They have a thumbnail of a dark shadow and you think, oh, what's that? You click on it, clickbait, isn't it?
Yeah.
You click on it and then you don't see nothing.
No, you're right.
So, I mean,
couldn't be any more
let's face
true,
it,
really.
most ghost hunters, you don't see anything.
Me and Richard don't give an absolute monkeys about the fame and the money. We don't give a crap. We just do this because we enjoy it, and we like to. Well, he's a skeptic. Me, this is my opinion. This is my faults. No, let me finish what I'm going to say, and then you can say what you're going to say. All right, skeptic man. But I do this to prove to people that this stuff really does exist, and spirits are around us all the time. They are there. You've just got to acknowledge them like we do, and they will acknowledge you. And that is the truth of it. And places that hold history, such as this, and he's smiling, I don't know why, is great places to make contact with spirits.
You was about to say history holds paranormal, that's why I started grinning.
Yeah, because that's true. I see it that way. History does hold paranormal. Look at all the places we've been to that is history that we always get contact, and we ask relevant questions to do with their past, and we get communication.
We're getting in a debate again.
Well, you carry on. I'm just saying my piece.
I don't disbelieve in spirits. I've told you this before. Yeah, I just don't believe that some of our technology can pick up that they're here.
Yeah, I was hearing something before you was even speaking. Yeah, over there.
Yeah, and I don't believe. I mean, I'm not a scientist. I wish I was a scientist, you know, so I could say, look, I'll prove it to you. But I can't. I just don't. It's one of them dodgy ones, isn't it? I haven't got any proof that they don't exist, but you haven't got any proof that they do exist, and you can't say communication like that is absolute 100% proof. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It could be coincidence. It's going off at the right time you're talking.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
No, I'm with you.
But and then you hear voices, and that, I mean, fuck me, most people take medication for that.
Yeah, well, look, I don't.
And the other people that don't take medication, they call them ghost hunters.
I don't have a problem at all whatsoever for the non-believers like yourself. It is what it is. Everyone's each to their own.
I do believe that when you die, your energy goes somewhere else. But I think that's what it does. It goes somewhere else. I don't think it hangs around. I think entities that have never walked the earth, that have never been human, if you like, I think that's what we're in contact with. And I think maybe, I don't know, maybe they can pick up on the...
Like intelligent.
Yeah, entities. Yeah, not malicious. Everyone assumes they're malicious. They might actually be friendly. And in order for them to get to talk to us, there might be a chance of... They're not going to turn and go on with, like, through... If they can talk to you somehow, they're not going to say, I'm a demon, because you're going to try getting rid of it, aren't you? Yeah. So they tell you, like, your name's Wendy or something, do you know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know.
None of us know until we're gone, but still, paranormal exists, spirits exist.
I'm still interested in it. I still want to find out.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, I might totally wrong. I might walk around the corner, be a full apparition. I'll be like, holy cow. Do you know what I mean?
Well, that's it.
And I'll be like, Jace, I'm not on the fence anymore. Do you know what I mean?
Well, people have said in the past that they've seen spirits. My sister certainly has, and she's told me
loads of weird stuff.
I did when I was a child, but I don't remember it. You know, my mum tells me the story many times, and I'm like, Mum, if only I could remember, but I don't. I only remembered vivid memories of that house and what the things that used to happen, not what I actually saw in my room. Yeah. You know, when she said to me, there was a man that kept reading me stories, and he kept standing in a corner and he kept looking at me, and I kept coming downstairs and I kept saying to Mum and Dad, Mum, Dad, there's a man in my room. You know. But we used to get a lot of things happen at that house as well. Lots of it was a bit of a poltergeist, because lots of things used to move around and stuff like that, really. But because we were the first people to live in that house, my mum later found out that it was built on a burial ground.
A bit like the old, remember the film Poltergeist? You ever seen that? Get on my back out.
Was that what the echo was? Yeah, it could have been.
To me, that sounds like
echoes everywhere, doesn't it?
To me, that sounds like my back rustling.
Yeah, echoes everywhere.
But to you, it's bounced off a few walls and come back here. It sounds different.
Yeah. Right, people, I've had enough of this now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. You know what to do. Said it already. And see you in the next one. Stay spooky. Go on, Richard.
Peace out, people.